Welcome students. I'm Neha Lasgaonkar, Assistant Professor, Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Kepe, Goa. Title of today's unit, Flora and Fauna of Mangrove and Associated Environments. Module name is Factors Affecting Biodiversity. Outline of today's module, we'll be talking about the introduction, threats of biodiversity and importance of biodiversity. The learning outcomes. This module will help us to define what is biodiversity. It will help us to explain the importance of mangrove biodiversity and help us to learn different traits of mangrove biodiversity. So, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is formed by combining two words, that is bio and diversity, where bio refers to life and diversity refers to variation. It refers to all the variety of life that can be found on earth, which includes plant, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, as well as to the communities that they form and the habitats in which they live. Biodiversity is often understood at three different levels: species diversity, genetic diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Species diversity, which refers to the variety of different kinds of species; genetic diversity, which corresponds to the variety of genes contained in plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms; ecosystem diversity, which refers to all the different habitats that they exist, like tropical or temperate forest, hot and cold deserts, wetlands, rivers, mountains, coral reefs, etc. Now, what are mangroves? Mangroves are woody plants that grow at the interference between land and sea in tropical and subtropical latitudes, where they exist in conditions of high salinity, extreme tides, strong winds, high temperature, and muddy anaerobic soil. These mangroves are occupying most regions of the world and they show huge amount of biodiversity. Mangroves are salt-tolerant flowering plants growing in tropical and subtropical regions. Mangrove plants are either shrub, tree, or fern growing above sea level of marine coastal environments exceeding a height of half a meter. Mangrove ecosystem supports diverse flora and fauna because of their interaction with aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem. Threats to mangrove biodiversity. Habitat destruction. The entire habitat of mangrove is being destroyed because of rapidly increasing population throughout the world. Global climate change in the biotic elements of ecosystem leading to biotic change. Habitat fragmentation from human activity, which reduces ability of the habitat to support species. Pollution, runoff from the land environment, pollutants such as nitrates from agriculture fields. Overexploitation, this includes the illegal wildlife trade as well as the overfishing and logging. Alien species introduced by humans to regions where there is no natural predators. Diseases, reduction in habitat causing high population densities encourages spread of various diseases. Let's go in detail. Let's talk about habitat loss. Habitat loss can be described when an animal loses their home. Reasons of habitat loss by humans: agriculture, farming, harvesting of natural resources for personal use, for industrialization and urban development. Habitat destruction is currently ranked as the primary cause of species extinction worldwide. These are some pictures. Solution for habitat loss: protecting remaining intact section of natural habitat, control of human population, expansion of urbanization and industrialization, educating the public about the importance of natural habitat and biodiversity. Next, we'll talk about poaching. Poaching is done of wild animals. It includes activities such as hunting, harvesting, fishing, or trapping. Example of animals which are poached are crocodile, tiger. Why is this poaching done? Poaching is done for large profit gained by the illegal sale or trade of animal parts and meat. It exists because there is a demand for this product caused by a lack of education or disregard for the law amongst the buyers. How does poaching affect the mangrove environment? Poaching or illegal hunting causes animal endangered of being extinct. There will be disruption in the food chain which will cause major problem in our ecosystem, effect on reproduction and repopulation of animals. Next we'll talk about man-animal-wildlife conflict. Many conflict that arises where the behavior of one, it may be the human or the wildlife, is unacceptably disadvantageous to another. Increase in man-wildlife conflicts is due to resource limitations like space, food, or shelter. Then we'll talk about climatic change. The key climate and ocean drivers of change that are expected to impact mangrove ecosystem includes the following: variation in air and ocean temperatures, ocean chemistry, rainfall, wind strength and direction, sea level and wave climate, especially extremes such as hurricanes, drought or storm surges. Global warming promotes the expansion of mangrove forests to higher latitudes. Change in sea level will alter flooding patterns and the structure of mangroves. Different rainfall pattern change local salinity regimes and competitive interaction of mangroves with other wetland species. Increases in frequency or intensity of tropical storms and hurricanes in combination with sea level rise alter erosion and sedimentation rates in mangrove forests. Increased atmospheric carbon dioxide, that is CO2, caused by burning of fossil fuels and other factors disturbs the mangrove growth. Elevated carbon dioxide concentration increases mangrove growth by stimulating photosynthesis or improving water use efficiency. So we'll summarize. We have talked about what is mangrove biodiversity. We have seen different threats which includes the habitat destruction, global climate change, habitat fragmentation. We have seen pollution, overexploitation, alien species, diseases. We have talked in detail about habitat loss. We have seen what is poaching. We have talked about man and wildlife conflicts. And we have seen the climate change which affects the mangrove ecosystem. So, to summarize, biodiversity refers to the variety of life which is seen in different variation of species in an ecosystem. Mangroves are occupying most regions of the world and they show huge amount of biodiversity. Therefore, protecting the mangrove biodiversity is very important. These are some book references, some web references. Thank you.